Hello students, Ms. Slyman here with our second set of notes for Unit 2. Now we're looking at multiplying expressions, and all of this is covered in your textbook for the rest of Chapter 3, 3b through 3d. And really it's because all of it is about multiplication. So let's start with the imaginary situation that someone asked you to multiply 3 times 72, and they told you you can't use technology. So if I was going to do that, the easiest thing to do is I would think about that as being 3 times 70 plus 3 times 2. So 3 times 70 is 210, 3 times 2 is 6, so that final answer would be 216. So really what I've just done is I've taken this 3 times 72 and made it the same as 3 times 70 plus 2, which was then 3 by 70 plus 3 times 2. That's the distributive law. So the distributive law says I take this A and I multiply it by both B and C, and then find the sum of those products, to use our math words. So that's going to be AB plus AC. So let's go ahead and use the distributive law to simplify these expressions. So here, simplify means we're going to get rid of the parentheses. So that's going to be 3 times x plus 3 times 2, 3x plus 6. 4x times 3. Now you can think of it as in two ways here. I could think of it as plus 4x times negative x, or I could have said 4x times 3 minus 4x times x. Either way, we end up getting, I'm just going to move those up a little bit. So either way, we end up getting 12x from the 4 times 3 minus 4x squared. X times x is x squared. So whatever we do, we want to be really careful with our negatives. All right, this one I see as having two separate parts, two distributions. So I've got 5 times x minus 5 times 1. And then over here, I've got 3 times x plus 3 times 2. And I've got a sum of all of that. So 5x minus 5 plus 3x plus 6. I'm going to rearrange that. 5x plus 3x minus 5 plus 6. So this minus is attached with the 5. Here I could have thought of it as 5 times negative 1. So it's a negative 5. Collecting like terms, I get 8x plus 1. And I'm going to stop there, and we'll come back and look at the binomial product in the next video.